Hello! Let's make a quick Christmas tree decoration. I will be using two types of glitter yarn. This is acrylic yarn, and because it is, I think, a 2-ply and I want it to be a little bit thicker, I'm going to use 2 strands of each color with my 3.5mm hook. You will start with a slip knot. And chain 10. Now single crochet 2 together the next 2 chains. So go through the first one, pull the yarn, go to through the second, pull again, and then pull the yarn through all 3 loops. Now continue to single crochet until the end of the row. Chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet into each stitch. Now do not chain 1, we turn the work, we skip this first stitch, and we single crochet 2 together the next 2. And continue to single crochet in each stitch until the end of this row. Now chain 1 and turn. We will single crochet only in 4 stitches. And now we are going to chain 1 and turn again. Single crochet in the red for 3 more rows. When you get to the last stitch of the last row, just pull the yarn like you would start the stitch, and then bring the white and pull it through both to finalize the stitch, the single crochet. Chain 1 and turn, and in white we will single crochet for 2 rows. Fasten off. with the remaining red yarn that we didn't cut off, just go through this stitch here in between the two colors, pull on the red and do a slip stitch, and we will continue to do slip stitches around the edge to give it a much neater look. Fasten off yarn and weave in all the ends, and here on top just attach a little bit of yarn and this is how it looks. Little stocking for your Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.